The sample space S contains every possible outcome of a random experiment. Probability of an event. The probability of event E is the ratio of favorable outcome to the total outcome if all outcomes are equally likely. Axiom 1. Non-negativity. Probability of any event is always zero or positive. Axiom 2. Normalization. The probability of the sample space, the full set of all outcomes, is 1. Axiom 3. Additivity for mutually exclusive events. If two events cannot happen simultaneously, the probability of either occurring is the sum of their probabilities. Complement rule. The probability of complement of event E not happening is 1 minus the probability that E happens. General addition rule. If two events can occur simultaneously, subtract the probability of their intersection to avoid double counting. Conditional probability. The probability of A given B has occurred is the probability of both A and B divided by the probability of B. Multiplication rule. The probability that both A and B happen equal the probability of B happen times the probability A happen given B. Law of total probability. If event B form a partition of a sample space, the total probability of A is the sum of overall I of the probability of a given BI times the probability of BI.